In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add HubSpot custom contact properties. Custom properties allow you to tailor your CRM to match your business, so you can track exactly the details that matter, segment contacts more precisely, and build clearer reports. To get started, look for the search bar at the top left of your HubSpot dashboard. Click into it and type Contact Properties. This search is the quickest way to jump to the place where all your contact-related property settings live. When the results appear, open the Contact Properties page. Here, you'll see a list of properties that can be added to your contacts. Some are default properties created by HubSpot, while others may be custom ones your team has already made. Browsing this list helps you avoid duplicates and see how properties are grouped and used across your portal. To create a new one, click Create Property at the top right. This opens the Setup panel for your new custom field. First, enter the property label. This is the human-friendly name your team will see on contact records, forms, and filters. Make it clear and specific so everyone immediately understands its purpose. For example, use a label that mirrors the question you want to answer about a contact. Consistent naming now saves confusion later. Next, choose the object type. Because we're adding a contact property, select Contact here. Picking the correct object is important since it controls where the property will appear and be available for use. Then select the group and add a description. The group determines where the property shows up in the contact sidebar and how it's organized in settings. Choose the most relevant group so your team can find it quickly. In the description, explain what the property tracks and how it should be used. A concise note keeps data entry consistent across your organization. Finally, select the field type. This defines the kind of data the property will store. Common examples include single-line text for short answers, number for quantities or scores, date picker for key dates, checkbox for true or false, and drop-down select for standardized choices. Pick the type that best fits the data and how you plan to filter or report on it. The right field type helps keep your CRM clean, searchable, and reliable. And there you go. That's all. You've created a custom contact property you can use across lists, segments, reports, and forms to capture the exact information you need. Thanks for watching, and enjoy building a CRM that truly reflects your workflow.